Are you passionate about beauty and dream of starting your own makeup artist service in Malaysia? Let's talk about how you can turn your creativity into a thriving business. Step 1. Skills and certification. While talent is important, taking professional makeup courses adds credibility and helps you attract more clients. Step 2. Choose your niche. From bridal makeup to special effects, fashion shoots, or everyday glam, specializing helps you stand out in Malaysia's competitive beauty industry. Step 3. Build your brand and online presence. Showcase your portfolio on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Clients often book based on what they see online. Step 4. Get licensed and manage your finances. Register your business, consider insurance, and keep track of earnings to grow sustainably. With the right skills, branding, and planning, your passion for makeup can become a profitable business. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we guide entrepreneurs through every step of business setup.